Hey Plug Babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Plug by Bianca M, but you can call me Bianca. So let's get into my favorite segment, the plug bag of the day. The plug bag of the day is our plug bowling bag. I absolutely love this bag. It is so very spacious. I'm obsessed with the 2-pocket detail. It gives so much more to the bag, just like an extra pop of interest. I love that we decided to go with gold hardware. I am a gold girl, okay? I love that we went with the gold hardware. I feel like it just makes the blue pop even more. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, can hold all of your essentials, and this here is the plug bag of the day. In today's video, we'll be styling straight from the closet. Now, this is actually a favorite of mine. I love to go through my stuff. I have so many pieces that it's always overlooked because I'm always shopping, and sometimes you just have to pull back from that. So this video, I decided, and hopefully I also inspire you to look in your closet as well, because we have clothes. I know I say it all the time, and sometimes it may seem like we don't have anything because we don't actually take the proper time to go through it and actually curate outfits. If you want to shock yourself, get in your closet. I promise you, you'll come up with so many different curations. You'll be surprised. You'll be like, wait, I didn't even think to do this. I like to use Pinterest sometimes, even though I do have a style of my own. I always look for a street style type of wear because I'm definitely that girl. I love street style, but sometimes you have to do more so dressy looks and stuff like that. Pinterest is great for that. Also, TikTok. I mean, the girls are on TikTok putting the fits together. I absolutely love that. And of course, we cannot forget Instagram. The fashion girls are over there. Get inside your closet. I know that they are inside their closet. You can just tell when they pull out those old archive pieces, oh my God, wait, where did I see this at? It's in their closet. Make sure that you get inside yours. Something that I always try to do to make the outfit a little bit more interesting is accessories. I mean, accessories are literally that girl, okay? You cannot go wrong with accessories. It always brings out such a basic fit. Like the one I'm wearing right now. I have on a white top. I feel like the scarf and the jewelry literally did the work for this outfit. And I absolutely love that. And of course, you have to make sure that you grab the perfect handbag. So if you guys are looking for any handbags and you absolutely love shopping Black-owned products, why not get plugged? I have a handbag line that you will absolutely fall in love with. We have so many different varieties of bags. And I mean, to bring out those clothes in that closet, you need some accessories. Don't forget to shop plug. Now let's get into the video. So let me put y'all on with something. And I know that y'all already know this, but I have to put y'all on with it anyway. A white top. Every single time. And when I say a white top, I mean make sure that you have variations of white tops. Now this one here is a bit dressy. This one is a ruffled top. I absolutely love this. I feel like it's so cute. It's so elevated. But a basic button down would do the exact same job because you can dress that up or down. A white top, okay? For this outfit, I wanted to keep it very, very plain. I knew that my accessories was going to have to do the work. And I was okay with that. Because this scarf here, I feel like it's absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it just meshed so well. For this outfit, it's giving me a vacation type of vibe. Maybe a New York City type of situation. Something like that. That's the feels that I have for this. I absolutely love this. These jeans here, I actually thrifted. Y'all do not sleep on the thrift store when it comes to the basic pieces. Any pieces really, but don't forget to check the men's section. These jeans have been with me for about 4 years now, and I'm still obsessed. Jeans that I have that even cost more than this, I still grab for these. I love these. I love how I put the cuffs at the bottom. For reference, I am only 5'1". Do as you will with that information. But I feel like cuffs can work good for anybody as long as the jeans are long enough. I absolutely love how we paired this top. And I love this scarf. I'm obsessed. Another thrifted item. I feel like this works so well. Usually I would have put on glasses, but I was like, you know what? Let me pull back from the glasses for this outfit because I have glasses for the other outfit. I love this so much. The bag here is Plug by Bianca M. This is our bowling bag, and I'm obsessed. Look at this. It's so freaking gorgeous. Like I said, the accessories are always here to do the work and make them work overtime, okay? I love this necklace. This is also from my brand, Plug by Bianca M. And I just felt like this jewelry stack was super duper cute. I had this watch here because I wanted to be a little bit more minimal on just this arm. But I feel like this looks so good together. I love how the jeans are like a bit flowy, but not too baggy. And I just feel like this came out so cute. I was thinking about big earrings, but most of the time it's either one or the other for me. Either it's big earrings or small necklace or no necklace, or it's small earrings and big necklace. And I felt like the necklace won this time, okay? But I love this. This here is the look. I feel like this came out so cute. And like I said, all I did was look in my closet. Y'all probably even seen both of these items, I'm sure, on my channel before. And we're not even going to get into these kitten heels because kitten heels have literally been saving my life. Grab these from my closet as well. And I feel like this is super cute. This is the look. Tell me what you think. Animal prints are legit that girl. It's just something about it. I was so happy to see that zebra was trending. It seems like it's never really trending. It's kind of hard to find. And I had this top in my closet. I was so happy. Yes, I said top. I decided to actually make it like a mini dress. I did a little tucking. I felt like the blazer would like do the work. Y'all, when I say I'm literally the queen of like improvise, I will turn nothing into something quick, okay? Like the brain just be moving. At first I was gonna make it a skirt, but I was like, you know what? No, let's make it a full-on dress. I feel like the pop of red was so needed for this. Even though other colors would do really well because zebra is just that girl already. So you can wear zebra with denim. You can wear it with yellow. I feel like that's such a perfect match. You can also wear it with like just regular black. Like it just always works. I absolutely love how we paired the newest bag in my collection with this outfit. I feel like this eats it down. Now this here is definitely giving like brunch or something like that. Like something like a little dressy, not just sweatpants, like that type of vibe. I really like this. And I feel like the blazer is what really did it. This blazer is so old. Yo, I got this from Forever 21. That's why I say get in that closet. I know that y'all have some pieces. I got this from Forever 21 maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, I believe. And it is just like so good. It works for so many different seasons and I absolutely love that. These are my favorite Loewe glasses. Y'all always see them. I'm not going to talk about them. These boots here are from Zara. Another absolute fave because I'm in my closet, y'all. Like, I'm not looking for the newest pieces that I just got or anything like that. I'm looking for the pieces that is in that closet that I really don't pull for as much. And I just love this. I feel like this came together so cute. I love this. Like, now I just, getting dressed just makes me feel like now I want to do something. Now I want to go somewhere. I feel like this outfit is super cute. And I really love that I decided to do the mini dress look instead of the skirt because the legs with the boots is like a 10 out of 10. Get in your closet. So for this outfit, I challenged myself to like dress up a graphic tee. So if you have a graphic tee, you are literally on point, okay? Like, we're not getting rid of them. It's different ways that we can wear them. I feel like I elevated this graphic tee so well. As you guys know, pinstripe is just like that, girl. It's very easy with these pants. It was like an easy on type of fit, and I really love that because y'all know I am a baggy pant girl. Y'all know this about me. But I felt like this was like really cool to do because this is like an ash gray like color top that has like the pop of blue, and then these pants are navy. So it gave me a chance to like add in my navy hat, and I really didn't know how I wanted to wear it. But when I put this on, I was like, oh my gosh, the hat would go perfect. And I love the way that this came together. I decided to go for a chunky necklace because why not? Like, I feel like it just happened to like bring out the plainness of the outfit because like I said, let your accessories do the work. Y'all, I grabbed these pieces straight out of my closet. I know that you have something similar or something that you can look at this and be like, oh, I got like a Floyd pair of slacks or a graphic tee or oversized type pants or even like just like a little bit of bag and sag. I feel like you have something very similar that you can carry. An easy fit. I feel like this is giving like creators event. Something that you put on when it's like, oh yeah, you know, you've been invited. Oh wait, I don't know what to wear. I don't want to be too dressy, but I've been invited, so let me show up. I feel like this bag is an absolute showstopper. And I'm not here to toot my own horn, but look at this. The bag is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like the blues are perfect, as if I almost was in collaboration with Zara. That's where I got the top from. But I love this. I feel like this came together so well. I just love that the pants had pockets. Like, I love pants with pockets. So I really, really love these. Like I said, I love that you can just see the tip of the shoe. You don't even need the whole shoe. But this is a kitten heel that I got from Pretty Little Thing. And y'all, I stand by Pretty Little Thing. I don't know what it is, but I absolutely love them. But everything is pulled straight from the closet, y'all. The jewelry pulled from the closet. This is old from my collection, Plug by Bianca M. And I really like the way that this fit came together. It's so effortless. This is so good. Y'all, we had to get inside our closets. It's pieces in there. Any other time, I probably wouldn't have thought to like pair this shirt with these. But when I start trying on stuff, that's when you get the feel like, oh wait, this actually do look cute. But would I have normally like bought this shirt to go with these pants? Absolutely not. That's why getting in your closet is so important. Putting those pieces on, saying how you feel, saying how you look, is so important to do because I know that you have something in there. When going in your closet, sometimes the pieces are not going to look like they're going to hit until you actually put them together. So do not be afraid to mix prints. And when I say that, I'm talking about this bag here and this hat. Now, usually somebody else with more so of like a minimal style probably would not have done this. I noticed I'm definitely a maximalist. Like, I love prints, colors, patterns, all the things. So when I came up with this outfit, I was going for a denim on denim. I did not want it to be the traditional denim on denim that I always kind of go for. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use another color denim. So this skirt got a chance to have its moment. And I feel like this is perfect. The hat just seems to kind of go. And I was like, okay, wait. I think I have like that hat that would go with this. And then I just kind of cut it up with like a regular denim piece. But I love this. I feel like it came together so well. These boots are literally fire. These was actually gifted to me in a partnership collaboration. And I mean, just look at them. They were stunning then and they are stunning still. I love this bag. I love prints. And one thing about the duffel with my brand, the duffels always do so well. The girls love the duffel bags. Prints and zebra is definitely one of those ones that is like trending and it's out right now. So I'm kind of happy that I got a chance to pull this from my collection. This hair is not new. It's actually sold out. But just look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love these glasses. These are like some blue light tint glasses. So if you guys know anything about that, they're really good on the eyes when you're looking at like computers or your phone screen too much. For people that may have like eye problems and even people that don't. Like, I don't have any eye problems, but sometimes I just be like, well, let me get a pair of blue light glasses. So these are so cute. I really love that they're burgundy because it kind of goes and ties in with the outfit. But literally everything was pulled from my closet, y'all. The shirt, I believe I got from Target like a while ago, like maybe like a summer or two ago. And the skirt is Zara, hat is Rustin Baginski. I'm going to take certain things below that I can. Of course, all of the handbags will be tagged below or something similar from my site. But look at the fit. Seriously, like, get in your closet, pull some things. And when I say this, I'm talking to myself. Like, I woke up like, you know what? I need to do a video on getting in that closet. Pulling from that closet. It's pieces in there. I was actually organizing my closet yesterday and I didn't pull out any pieces, but I saw so many and I was like, it's so much that I can do in here. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope that it has inspired you to get in your closet, pull some pieces, even if you have to kind of add to, because sometimes we do have those pieces like, these are the perfect pants, but I really need a certain top and you may not have it. Even with that, that's fine. But just don't neglect the pieces that you already spent your money on. If you reached this part of the video, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would love for you to be a part of the Plug Babes.